What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Feels familiar, right? Don't trip, this is the all-new 114 RC from us, the M14. Alright, let's pop the body off and get straight into the specs, cause this thing is no toy.
First up, power. We've got a custom 2847 brushless motor, and check this out, it's laser etched with a custom 3100 kV rating. That's not off the shelf, guys. And on top, a black aluminum heatsink to keep things cool. Feeding that motor is a 45A all-in-one brushless ESC, and yeah, that little fan on top means business. No thermal shutdowns here. Steering comes from a plastic gear 3.0 kilograms full proportional servo. Is it the strongest out there? No, but for this size, it gets the job done with good response. Juice comes from a 7.4 volts hardcase battery, 1500 milliamp hours, 15C, and guess what? You get two of them. Protected case, swap and go. Suspension duty goes to red metal hydraulic oil filled shocks. Buttery smooth and they look killer. And finally, wrapping it all up, 70mm diameter tires. Perfect grip for pavement or hard-packed dirt. So here's the deal, this thing looks legit on paper, but the real test is how it drives. If you want to see the running footage, make sure you're subscribed and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!